I continue on a little bit. Just a little bit. We're gonna start here. Yeah. There's no intro. We're just getting onto the video.
I hereby open hearing number BV-13D in the case of the captain of the German U-boat. Sir.
Uh-oh.
For your courage and loyalty to the Reich. Your accomplishments on the world's seas were appreciated by Kriegsmarine commanders. You have fulfilled every order with precision and devotion. But that same dogmatism for the German Reich's ideas has brought you to this court. Sir, please tell us in detail how your duty and service began, and what was your relation to the captain?
Well, it all started when I was...
Hey you, cadet! It's your first real assignment after the academy, isn't it? Good.
Yeah.
Let's teach you something real. You will be our helmsman today. As you see, it's the brand new U-boat Type 7C. It has some improvements. Let's see how it runs. Come on, go up the ladder. We have a lot of work to do. Let mechanics start the diesel engines. Use engine order telegraph. Full ahead. Full ahead, soldier. The course is 10 degrees port. That vessel on the horizon. Grab the steering wheel. Get us out of the harbor. Take a look at your watch. Time will pass faster. Our order is to sink that vessel. It was bombarded and now is blocking a way out of the harbor.
Pause. Oh, shit. There we go. Oh. Didn't you get the battleships to do your job for you? What is tall gonna be too tall? I love me.
to sink that rubbish. It's blocking our warships. Shoot it a few times with the deck cannon. We don't want to waste a precious torpedo on that. Find the deck cannon. It's on the bow. Do the honors. Use valves to adjust the distance and pull lever to shoot. Wait. Silence on board! Can you hear it? It doesn't sound like our Messerschmitts. Enemy planes! Watch out! Destroy them with this machine gun or take cover! Destroy that planes! Take them down!
Absolutely nothing.
They must have seen our shots and got Cookie out of the port town anti-aircraft defenses. Wow, and you are not full of bullet holes.
What does this mean?
That alone is a great job. I like you. Seems like we're safe now. Nonetheless, they did some minor scratches on my baby. Let's go back and see if everything's all right in the port.
Excuse me, you're
We
what?
have a few days until the next task.
You're what? Oh my gosh. This man's crazy.
Sir, we are full of supplies again.
Ah, yes, come in. I hoped you slept well after our party yesterday. It's normal to celebrate, but don't get used to it. You will probably... We sail out in a day. After repairs and last checks, it will take us a day to reach coordinates from the Order and proceed to test dive the first patrol, if we don't die before that.
No, this is mine. This is mine. I'm keeping it. I'm keeping it. Can I keep it? Did I get it?
Sir, we're at the designated location.
Wow.
We're fully prepared for the test drive sequence.
Sehr good. Perfect timing. Come on, officer. Get down to the control room and proceed with dive sequence steps. I'm after you.
Hey, watch your steps. It's all wet. Better grab this red ladder. Get down safe.
Reporting all day sunny, sir. It's time to flood the main ballast tanks.
Prepare to dive.
Ready to dive.
You, strong guy. Open the ballast tanks to fill them with water. Better use both hands. It looks heavy in this model.
What? Did I do it? Oh.
Take it fully open. It's flooding slower than in previous models, but instructions say it's gonna close itself under the pressure. German engineering at its best.
Hey, banana.
Periscope depth.
Sir, good. Ballast tanks full of water. We've settled on periscope depth. Now let's see if we can withstand the pressure. Officer, take control over the depth steerings. Use just the left plane wheel to start changing our depth.
Depth.
Right one will make us tilt a little more and dive a little faster. Can you see the depth meter? We're slowly going down. Good. Let us sink to 160. Speed up the time with your watch.
Switching the engine. Meters.
Let's push the limits, but let's not push our luck today. Let's aim to beat 160 meters and hold off on testing the maximum depth of 230 meters. Test diving!
Where? 100 meters. Meters.
Oh, the leak!
With too much water, we risk damaging batteries.
Russia will always find some weak spots. Let's just assume we're safe up to 160 meters. Use that pump to get rid of the water. Let's go back to the surface. Blow compressed air to the ballast tanks, Cadet. Valve is over there. Good. Now the ship is surfacing.
Meters. Sir, we've received and decoded updated orders. New coordinates are on the map. We need to get there fast. It's a damaged British vessel. Perfect target for our new torpedoes.
Oh, okay. Orders are orders. Let's see the new coordinates. Pull down the map.
Switching the engine.
Hey, what do I do? There you go.
Coordinates reached.
Good. Go up to the conning tower. From there we can target the enemies and launch torpedoes.
Okay, officer. I'll need you to lock onto the enemy using the attack periscope. Can you see the ship? You can use that valve or the right controller to look around. Zoom and periscope height and viewfinder are all adjustable. Can you see the tanker? Run the measuring sequence by pressing the button. Remember to make the calculations 3 times, otherwise we may miss. Press the button to see the target and get their speed and distance. Okay, signal is back. You can see current estimated distance and enemy speed on the torpedo data calculator to the right. Check it a few times to be more accurate. Select torpedo tubes from the panel below. Switch knobs on the torpedo panel to pick which torpedo tube to launch. If calculations are correct and the periscope is aimed, you can use that lever to launch the torpedoes.
Fire!
Launch!
If calculations are correct and the periscope is aimed, you can use that lever to launch the torpedoes. Load torpedoes! Torpedo mechanics, prepare the tubes! Schneller! We're safe here, but not for eternity. Look at the tactical map on the left. You will find the position of torpedoes and your enemies on it.
Torpedo did some serious damage.
I'm reporting the enemy sunk. Order 14A fulfilled.
Ship is not
Sir,
sunk.
Fleet Commander orders are to sail back for the resupply.
There it goes. I don't want to watch this thing sink. Not the best animation, I'll say that. Alright.
Sir, we should show ourselves in one of our ports soon.
Okay, what now?
Tube 2, flooded. Sir, we should show ourselves in one of our ports soon. Torpedo ready.
Torpedo? Oh, no, wait. Where's my cup? Got me some lemonade right here, hold on. Wish I had more. What's up? What's up?
Achtung, Achtung, Alarm. Scheiße, we've got a compressed air leak somewhere. Fix it, go! Okay, the pressure in the system has stabilized. Let us fill the gaps and sail quickly back to the port. Find the compressor and turn it on before we move on.
Hey, Cook.
Start the compressor. Both compress should work. Electric and diesel. Tanks will be full of compressed air in a moment.
guess.
Whoa! Wait a moment! Let me first show you how to load these torpedoes. Focus, because you will have to repeat the whole sequence after me. First, you must pump out the water from the... Now it's your turn. If you follow my instructions, everything will work just fine.
Torpedo ready. Launch! Torpedoes are on the way. Target destroyed. No one else in sight. We can sail back to the port. The commander will be proud of us. Sir, set up a route to the port. Mind the land.
Hey, buddy.
Sir, set up a route to the port. Mind the land.
Is that the humongous vent noise? What's up?
I have great news for you, Cadet. Your course is almost over. Hereby, my work here is nearly done. Headquarters will be sending me to another U-boat soon. This order will prove if you're actually ready to take the helm.
How dare you shoot that? Boom, boom. Ah. Yeah. Okay. What do you want me to do? Stop that. You got toys in here? These are my toys, Captain. No, give me my toy. My toys. What was I supposed to do? Let me back up. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Let me out. Target location. Where is the target location? I could go on land.
Coordinates reached. Somebody go to the surface. I can't see anything through the periscope. Shit, we can't see them in this fog.
Yo, don't say that.
The hydrophone operator reports the sounds of the propeller north of us. Let's go under the water and find exactly where the sounds are coming from. You can hear more underwater.
What is periscope depth?
Periscope depth. We're on the periscope depth. Have someone come up to the hydrophone and take a full course towards the enemy. Hydrophone measurement started. Engines dead slow. Target your opponent. Point the microphones towards the passing vessel, somewhere north. Listen carefully and observe the signal strength indications. When it shows 1, it means that the microphone is pointing directly at the enemy. Hear them! Ha! We have coordinates! The hydrophone points to an angle of 70 to our break. All you have to do is aim your periscope at this spot, like a blindfolded sniper. Run to the conning tower. Carefully aim the periscope at the enemy's position. We won't give him a chance. Alles klar? Let's go! Remember to make the calculations 3 times, otherwise we may miss. Let's be thorough and luck will be in favor of our torpedoes. If you can't see your target, use the tactical map to update the enemy location.
Okay. Fire the torpedo.
Launch! target, use the tactical map to update the enemy location. Ten seconds. If you can't see your target, use the tactical map to update the enemy location. Sehr good! We deserve a medal! Let's go back to port to make a report to the command. We'll see what they have prepared for us. Enemy destroyed! We must leave the danger zone. Coordinates reached. Sir, we are full of supplies again.
I knew it! You're a man! From now on, you will be responsible for the crew and mission fulfillment. You can find a board with orders in the captain's room at every Allied port. Good luck with your duties.
Captain, we got information from our intelligence about a damaged aircraft carrier. It's sailing to the shipyard in a lightly armed convoy. We put the coordinates on the map. We've reached our target. There is nothing here. We should connect to our radio station in the port to get corrected, up-to-date coordinates.
Move out of the way.
If you succeed, you will hear the music. We need to aim the antenna at our port. Use the sliders on the radio to correct the radio waves. Use the sliders on the radio to correct the radio waves. Give it a minute and voila! We have new coordinates. Amazing how fast technology is nowadays. The new convoy position has been marked on the map. We've reached our target. Convoy on the horizon! We see 3 units, sir. The aircraft carrier is in the middle. The order tells us to gather information about each unit before destroying them. Let's use an attack periscope and scan each unit.
Oh.
We need to scan all of this convoy! Move on! protest convoy. Move on! We have everyone, sir. We need to send information to the headquarters and find out what to do next. Use the Morse code machine to send the message P3 to headquarters. Use the Morse code machine to send the message P3 to headquarters. Use the Morse code machine to send the message P3 to headquarters. Use the Morse code machine to send the message P3 to headquarters. We must destroy the aircraft carrier and return immediately. According to the procedures, we have to focus on inflicting as much damage as possible to our main target and flee from the enemy's sight to the nearest port. The carrier type can withstand a significant amount of damage, so we must use all of our 5 torpedoes. Fire 4 torpedoes from the front in a salvo at low speed. After that, turn the U-boat 180 degrees and use our rear torpedo to finish off the target with maximum speed. We must destroy aircraft carrier only. Remember to set the speed of the torpedoes. You need to get closer to the opponent. You need to get closer to the opponent.
Here we go.
Enemy within our range! type can withstand a significant amount of damage, so we must use all of our 5 torpedoes.
Then he said turn 180, correct?
Ready. Torpedo ready. Seconds.
It's a miss. All miss.
Ten seconds to impact. Troop 2, flooded. We got them! I am reporting the total destruction of the aircraft carrier. The ship goes down. Our headquarters want to see you in port.
Go.
Enemy destroyed.
Wait, escape.
We need to refuel at the nearest port, sir.
And that's how it went.
And as we know, that wasn't the end of your service, sir. Please tell us what happened after you parted ways with the captain. We would particularly like to hear about the crew members worthy of note. Sir, please choose which testimony you would like to share with the court.
This one. Take it. Zatopito. Znate zapati. Oops.
Torpedo ready.
Full feeds ahead. Fire Zapito.
Launch! Los!
Spy. Don't care about water. Oh. Okay, maybe we do care about water. Listen to the submarine. The submarine go down. Submarine. Submarine is going down.
Periscope depth. We are on the surface.
Here we go.
Torpedo ready. Two, ready. Torpedo ready.
Spool speed ahead. Okay. That will be the end of today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more. And if you like the video, I'll make more, okay? I'm struggling out here. Happy to play. But too. Yeah. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. And, oh my gosh. Have a wonderful rest of your day or night.
Stop the
Goodbye.
leak!